What's up, guys? It's your boy, your mom the savage, and today it's not too cold. It's actually pretty nice, actually. And I decided I was gonna do I was gonna wash the engine bay for Rias right there. So yeah, basically I'm gonna teach you how to wash your engine bay today. So peace. Well, these are the two products that I'm gonna be using. This is KA88, and I've done 50-50, so 50 KA88 and 50% water. And this, I'm not really sure what this is called, but I mean, it just makes it shiny. Or if you don't got K88, you can just go to a auto parts store and ask for a degreaser. So let's get started. So as you can see, it's pretty greasy. So the first step is gonna be to turn on the hose. Just wait a second. Okay. So first you gotta get it all. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. You guys have to cover up the distributor. If not, then water gonna leak in there, and then you're not gonna be able to turn it on. But I'm not doing that because I'm a savage ass mofo, and later I'll open it and just blow it dry. So you just want to get it nice and wet. Also get your air filters covered up so there's no water going in there. Now you want to apply the degreaser. Just you gotta be quick because this degreaser actually eats aluminum, so I'm gonna try to do it pretty fast, as fast as possible actually. Now the last thing is put the thing that makes it shiny. And that's it. Just wait till it dries, and I'll get to washing my car, and then I'll be back. So if you guys do decide to wash your engine bay, and you guys don't cover up your distributor, you might get some water in there, and I'll just show you guys how to do that. Just a little 8mm socket and a wrench, and just unscrew, I think it's 3 bolts, this one, and one more in the back, and oh, and I'll be back when I get this done. So I'm back, and it was just the three bolts here, and one in the back over here. So if you do get water, just grab a I don't know what it's called in English, but we call it a soplete. So you take off the 3 bolts, you take out your spark plug wires, and just freaking squirt it, or you blow it. In my case, I didn't get any water, but I wanted to show you guys, so that's it. And then you just put it all back together and you're done. And if you want to get it like a little bit more shiny, you might want to use the white liquid over there, right there, right? And that's pretty much it. Oh, and I already washed her. See that? Clean. So hopefully you guys liked, maybe learned something, and if you did, then subscribe. Peace out.